Hello friends, our today's activity is curly hair. So let's begin. We need to draw a face. So let's learn how to draw a face now. It's very simple. We're going to draw a letter U. This is a letter U. We are going to learn how to draw different expressions for our funny face and funny hair. Now if you want to make a happy face, let's draw some eyes. Two eyes. Nose. Letter L. See? Becomes a nose. Now if you want to show that your face is very happy, you have to draw a big curve. Like this. There. Doesn't your face look happy? Let's try another expression. You're laughing. Again a big letter U. When you're laughing loudly, you close your eyes. L for the nose. When you laugh, you open your mouth. And your teeth are seen. See? This is a laughing face. How about a sad face? Again a letter U. Big droopy sad eyes. Your eyes are very sad. And a curve downwards. This is a sad face. Let's write. This is a sad face. This was a laughing face. This is a smiling or a happy face. How about a face that is thinking? When you think something, how does your face look? Again, we have a letter U. Our eyes. I'm thinking. There. This is a thinking face. Suppose you are frightened, you're afraid, you're scared. How would your face look? Big scary eyes, a nose. There, afraid. If you're angry, when you're angry, your eyebrows also scrunch. Your eyes also look very different. And your mouth is also crooked. You're angry. Angry.